Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for more awesome content. So today we're going to dive into the exciting world of digital marketing for beginners in 2024. So whether you're a complete beginner, a business owner, a marketer, or just curious about some basics on digital marketing, this video is for you. We'll review email marketing, the power of SEO, the impact of social media, and exploring the various digital marketing channels that can help you reach your audience effectively. So grab a notebook and let's get started on your digital marketing journey. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down into some very simple steps. In particular, we're going to talk about the different types of marketing. But first, we have to know what digital marketing is. In essence, it is the practice of promoting products or service using the internet and other digital tools. In 2024, the major digital marketing channels include social media, email marketing, content marketing, SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization, pay per click or PPC advertising, and influencer marketing. Each of these channels has its own unique benefits and strategies, so let's start breaking them down for you. Let's start with social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn are still dominating the scene. The key here is to create engaging, high quality content that resonates with your audience. Look for videos on these platforms that grabs your attention. What makes you stop the scroll and pay attention to those videos? And what was it in that video that grabbed your attention and made you stop? Try to use similar content in your videos. But remember, consistency is crucial. Next, we have email marketing. Personalized emails with valuable content can drive conversions like never before. Use tools such as MailChimp or HubSpot. There are so many to choose from, but all of which have free versions and platforms such as System.io to segment your audience. And you would segment them by demographics or geographics, all of which help you tailor your marketing efforts and automate your campaign. Content marketing is all about providing valuable information to your audience. Blogging, videos, and podcasts are fantastic ways to establish authority and build trust with your audience. Content marketing is all about providing valuable information to your audience. Blogging, videos, and podcasts are fantastic ways to establish authority and build trust with your audience. SEO or search engine optimization is the backbone of your online presence. Improving your website so it appears higher in the search engine results makes it easier for people to find you. You optimize your website with relevant keywords, creating a high quality backlink, and ensuring your site is mobile friendly. There are many tools online that you can use. Some of the ones that I use are Ubersuggest and Answer the Public, and they can both help you track your SEO website health and generate keywords without any upfront costs. Now, there are other methods out there of advertising, although I prefer to stay with organic methods or ones that are free. Their other options are called pay per click, or you will see PPC, such as Google Ads. They do allow you to target your specific audiences with much precision. The type of online advertising where you pay each time someone clicks on your ads. It's a way to buy visits to your website, but be advised that you need to set a budget. You need to create compelling ads and monitor your campaigns to get the best return on your investment. Lastly, influencer marketing is a powerful way to reach new audiences. You can collaborate with influencers who align with your brand values and have a genuine connection with their followers, such as digital marketing experts, content creators and bloggers, social media influencers, YouTube creators, podcast hosts, educational platforms, and niche influencers. Some opportunities here are looking for such digital marketing experts, influencers who are well known in the digital marketing space, because they often have large following of people who are interested in learning more about digital marketing strategies and tools. Podcast hosts are another interesting avenue. Many digital marketing experts host their podcasts where they discuss the latest trends and strategies. And being a guest on their podcast or having them mention your ebook can help you reach a very dedicated audience as well. YouTube creators. You can partner with many YouTube creators who create content with digital marketing, SEO, or social media strategies, and maybe other related topics. They create videos, tutorials, and even host webinars that could possibly feature your ebook. So as you can see, there are so many avenues to who you can collaborate with to help promote your online business. Remember, the key to success in digital marketing is to stay adaptable and keep learning. Trends change, algorithms update, but your ability to provide value will always be your greatest asset. Remember, the key to success in digital marketing is to stay adaptable and keep learning. Trends change, algorithms update, but your ability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, my friends, happy marketing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, my friends, happy marketing.